Welcome to the First Year Japanese sequence. In this video, we will explain the structures of the First Year Japanese courses so that you can understand the expectations. Let's begin. The courses within the First Year sequence consist of two components: lecture classes and tutorial sections. You attend lecture class twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Each lecture is 80 minutes long and will focus on grammatical structures and forms. There will be a variety of class activities and opportunities to work in groups. In a lecture class, you will develop your understanding of grammatical structures and forms through a variety of activities and explanations. The tutorial sections will be held 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and each class lasts for 50 minutes. It is led by a teaching assistant, and tutorial class is a 100% Japanese environment. Here, you will apply what you have learned in a lecture class. Try to immerse yourself in Japanese. Before going to each class, make sure to check the daily schedule and cover the scheduled content. In the First Year Japanese series, preview videos are provided so that you can preview content before going to class. Watch the videos and complete preview homework. Also, there are hiragana, katakana, and kanji sheets. Mastering correct writing is very important. Make use of these sheets as they are useful for your practices. Another fun task is to create a personal e-portfolio. Instructions for each task will be given throughout the quarter. E-portfolio is a great way to evaluate and reflect on your own learning to reach to the next level. In this course, you have 2 chapter tests, 2 oral tests, 1 oral interview, and the final exam. Each test is designed to give you opportunities to demonstrate what you can do with the Japanese language. Also, there are extracurricular activities for practicing Japanese outside of the classroom. A book club is held by Japanese lecturers to provide students opportunities to read Japanese books. There are hundreds of books, even for first-year students to read. Please join the book club. The location and time will be provided by your instructor every quarter. These books are also available on the 4th floor of the Geisel Library. Please check them out. As you know, everyone has different learning styles and strategies to improve your Japanese skills. Book club activities have provided some students authentic learning opportunities to learn the Japanese language and culture.
From participating in a book club, I believe that I have observed a considerable amount of improvement in my Japanese language, especially in regards to reading, in terms of getting cultural references and just basic knowledge and the flow.
I would say that the book club is a really good chance to not only read books but to meet other students and also meet other teachers who are also in the Japanese studies program, because when you attend a class you only know the teacher who you are taking with, but in the book club sometimes other teachers may come to help out too. So if you go to a book club, you can get along with other teachers, also other teachers can know you more too.
We hope you enjoy your journey of mastering the Japanese language and culture in this course. Good luck.